everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to US Bank credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top and type in creditcard.usbank.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of US Bank. Once you end up in the official site, go to the right hand side of the screen and from the account type drop down, go ahead and select your account type you'd like to log in with. Once you are done, in order to log in and access your credit card, select online banking account type and head over to the username text box and type in your username associated with your US Bank online account. If you'd like the system to remember your username on this particular device, check this little box beneath that says remember my username. Head over to the password text box and type in your password. Once you type in the password correct, click on the login button and you'll be able to get access to your US Bank online banking account. From the options, select credit cards and you'll be able to access your credit card for US Bank. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.